Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to another video in Python for InfoSec. This is the video number 6 and in this video we are going to see string methods. So as we saw earlier, the string is nothing but collection of characters, and in Python there are multiple methods available to manipulate the string. Let's create a new string, name equals Vikram Salunke. Now let's use method title. So print name dot title. As we can see, the first character of both the words has been converted to uppercase. So this is what title does. So what do you mean by a method? A method is an action that Python performs on a piece of a data. The dot after name in title tells Python to make title method act on the name variable. Every method is followed by a set of a parenthesis because methods often need additional information to do their work. That information is provided inside the parenthesis. Title function doesn't need any additional information, so the parentheses are empty. Title displays each word in title case where each word begins with a capital letter. Now let's look at a string. This is a string, Python for InfoSec. So as we saw earlier, the string is a collection of characters and we can access each of the character from a string. Remember this thing, the position always starts with a 0. So if you want to access the first element, we have to access that string's 0th character and so on. String of a 0. So we will access the character at a 0th location. We can access the character from other location also, such as 7. Okay. We can also slice the string. In this example, let's slice the string. So when we use the slicing, this is a start position, that is a 5, and this is a end position, that is a 10. So at 5th position there is a n, at 10th position there is r. So this is how we do the slicing. We can also do the slicing in other way also, such as string start position, end position and steps. So it will take the 2 steps. We can also use the lower method such as string.lower and convert this string into the lower case, as well as we can convert this string into uppercase also. Okay, we can also find a particular word in the string. So let's find Vic. Okay, so if that word is not present in this string, then it will return -1. Let's try to find another string. Let's try Python. So as we know, Python is available in the string and it is at a 0th position. So there are so many methods available for a string. To find the length of a string, we use len, then string. Okay, so 18 is the length of a string. So there are many methods available for string which we will look when we will need them. So that's it for this video. If you want to solve exercises and read the text version of this video, then please visit our website vmaskers.com. Thank you.